All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. I hope all is well with you. Welcome back to my channel. So this hour, we are going to react on a very important news, especially this issue of DOS or ex-DOS rather. You know what happened and what transpired between them and ESN immediately after the rendition of Maz Namodekano. Few days ago, one of our brother made a video that we have been playing that video. Not only me, many people have access to the video. We're going to play that video because I know there's something he said that many of us are not actually getting. And I'm going to expose that in this video. Yes, I know you'll be wondering what could that be. He says something. In case if you don't know who I'm talking about, I'm actually referring to this our brother. This our brother that I see here. I want you to hear what he said because some of the things he's revealed or he exposed is actually what many people are not aware of. How DOS, sold ESN as of 2021, 22, 23, and what, escalated between PM Simon Ekpa and the ex-DOS. The hatred is not here. The guy, this our brother says something. I made a mistake when I introduced him for the first time here on the channel. I said that he's not, that he's part of DOS or, not DOS, but he's in support of them like Methuselah and Achalugo and rest of them. But I later realized that he's not. He's just another Biafra who are very observant to pick one or two things about what is happening around and make sense out of it. So in the course of this his video, he says something very, very, very nice. And we are going to go through it and for you to know that what he said is okay and he knew what he's saying. I'm going to throw more light on that in this video. So please do not check out like some of you normally do. Sit down, fast your belt, and follow this video from beginning to the end. Before then, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Do not hesitate because we have something for you in this video so that many of you may know this, but it's going to remind you of what you know before. So that's why I want you to pay close attention while you like, share, and subscribe to the channel in case if you are new. So let's start with the video of this guy. Listen, because like I said, you're going to
lead the operation name of those commanders so
let's start from beginning. Let's start from beginning.
Update the
Now listen.
Aka Simon Ekpa the Ocha. Okay, for Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa the 100% genuine.
Okay.
As far as no Biafran struggle, as far as political solution, as far as Biafra struggle, the agitation, the consign, Simon Ekpa the genuine. On there, state government almost 150 million. However, finance Ekpelima saga, Ekpelima from Finland, infiltrator. Go on at a state government kaja finance after ka submit ESN to state government. How submit charges ESN to state government? Go 150 million.
Now, this is the part that I want you to capture because I'm not going to play the video from the beginning to the end because we have been playing the video here on the platform. So most of you will think, oh, Catapult, you are presenting the video again. We have heard, we think you have watched it, you have listened to that. No, that's the reason why I am playing it for the first time here in this recorded video. Now, listen. This comment he made now, that ex-DOS, Chike Dozeha, and all these people sold ESN. Many of you don't understand it when that comment is being made by PM and many genuine Biafrans. Some of you think it's a propaganda, right? Now, hear what Chike said. Listen.
The governors came, not the army now.
Okay.
The governors came and said we should hand over we should hand over Eastern Security Network to them so that they will be paying these young men salaries and put them on salary scale and the rest. And now they feel that they have gotten all they want. These men, this camp has become the expendable for them. Now they were able suddenly to be able to go in and attack and destroy this. Of course, it's good that they took away these villains that had been causing a lot of trouble for the Biafran people. But that is if they are not going to relocate them to another place and their trouble. But we are waiting for them, and we are ready for them. And while we are on this, I am appealing to the governors of the Eastern region. In fact, not only the Eastern region now, I mean the whole of the Eastern region, the Biafran states, Ebonyi to Delta to Bayelsa to Rivers and name it, all of you, all your governors. What I'm asking you to do tonight, Abia State Governor, I know that you will not fail your people, that your name, that the poor people will continue to talk about you. Anambra State Governor, that the people will talk about you. Enugu State Governor, Ebonyi State, Delta State.
Now, that was Chike Doziem, right? You heard him very, very clear. What governor requested of them. And this thing happened when they were saying, oh, we are underground, a political solution. You remember, they were doing this negotiation, transaction among themselves. Guess what? When Mazam Kano siblings complained about their secret or private conversation with Tinubu's son, Sheikh Tinubu, the same SDOS came out and said, look at that, how can they're striking deal without informing SDOS? Now the question is, I'm not here to defend Mazam Kano sibling like Kano, but do you think that when they were striking this deal with the governors, that they told Mazam Kano siblings? That question is yet unanswered, and I'm not going to answer anything because I wasn't part of them. Now, the question there again is, what he said here now, has it been verified or been supported by any governor from the Southeast? Yes, of course. Hear what Soludo said.
IPOB has come out and emphatically stated, and I believe them, that they are no longer part of this criminal gang, as it were. And they are now working with us. And we'll probably see their own actions in the next few days, and the people are waiting to see what they can or cannot do to join us. And we called on them on the day of our inauguration that if you are not part of this, come out and join us to build a livable and prosperous homeland. So I see, parts of this. Of course, within the agitation movement, we have to agree that there are now factions. There are various factions. There is one led by one guy in Finland called Simon Epa or something. And his own group, IPOB, has come out and pointedly accused that group of being the ones behind much of the criminality taking place now in the Southeast. So it's a very huge positive development. A lot of them in the bush out there.
It is a very huge positive development. That is DOS for you, okay? This is part of the deal. Like I told you, all of them that are involved in this business somehow has already made it known to the public.
They're having camps here and there. They come out from there to kidnap and kill and so on. So once we isolate all the groups that are not involved in this element.
Okay, that was Soludo rejoicing and telling that they are now working with us. So, but you know what? Let us throw more light on what Chikezem said. That will make more sense, don't you think so? Now, hear this. Let's start from the beginning.
The governors came, not the army now. The governors came and said, we should.
Now, the governor came, not the army now, meaning that they also had some contract or convention with the army. For him to say, not the governor now, not the army now, because this is just part of the conversation of his own broadcast. People cut it up. The part that the person that cut that felt that is interesting. If I have to be the one that had access to this, the original video, I will cut out his own conversation from army as well. Because he said the governor now, not the army now, meaning that the one of the conversation they had with the army is also there. You get the point? Not from government, not from governor. They have access to this too. Now listen, because what you need to understand, the conversation between them and the army is on how to chase those that are in disagreement with them, meaning those that are working with the PM Simon Ekpa, is due to be by. According to Chike, he validated it here. Because I just played the video with that, putting some analysis on that. That's what I'm doing now. I want to analyze what I can make out from the video itself. Hear him again.
We should hand over Eastern Security. I said we should hand over.
No. Repeat it.
The governors came and said we should hand over.
So governor requested that they should hand over the ESN.
We should hand over Eastern Security network to them so that they will be paying these young men salary.
So that they will be paying them while the Chike will be demanding for money, of course, fundraising and donation, zonal donation and all that. So the target was for governors to start paying ESN that made governors to arrest their leader. Like to arrest the Mazakano, the overall, the leader of all leaders, was, kidnapped from Kenya and sent back to Nigeria forcefully, covered his face, like, when they want to buy a horse, they cover the face, or when they want to buy a dog, they cover the face. They covered his face. Do you understand? Now, the reason why the governors and all the politicians supported that kidnap of Master Monacano, one of the main reasons is ESN. Then they handed it over to them because upon their request, they submitted it to and they now negotiated with army on how to deal with other ESN members that refused to do the same.
And put them on salary scale and the rest. And now they feel that they have gotten.
So he jumped. He don't want to talk about whether they did it or not. He said, but now they failed, meaning that they later submitted it to them. And now the governor, after receiving it, the governor felt that they have gotten what they wanted.
They want these men.
Let me take so that you follow. Let me take it back a little bit so you follow suit. Very, very important. Listen again.
On salary scale and the rest. And now they feel that they have gotten all they want. These men, this camp has become the expendable for them. Now they were able suddenly to be able to go in and attack and destroy this. Of course, it's good that they.
Now the governor, because after handing over to them, they gave governors access to the camps and places how the movement of ESN and all that. The governors begin to go and begin to capture them. Do you understand? Now after that, Chike said even it is good that they did it because this one are causing problem in our land. You get the point. I'm going to take it back again because if I play it just like playing it, I know some of us, not everybody, may not pick the point.
Suddenly to be able to go in and attack and destroy this. Of course, it's good that they took away these villains that had been causing a lot of trouble for the Biafran people. But
did you hear that? That it is good the way they what I mean, maybe sent to judgment, arrest them and do whatever they want to do, that it is good that they did it because they are causing problem to Biafra land. Simply because they refuse to be sold to government.
That is, if they are not going to relocate them to another place, and
he is still afraid that if governor did not relocate them to another place and begin to calm them by themselves.
And their trouble.
But why didn't you think like that before you handed them over to them? If you now suspect that governor could relocate them somewhere else and begin to use them for another trouble, according to him, why don't you think like that before handing over to them? You did not think like that because you are so much in a haste for you to receive salary that they according to you, that they will be paying them. So when somebody said they cash out from the governor, don't fight, don't argue, because you actually don't know what happened, to be honest.
But we are waiting for them. And we are ready for them. And while we are on this, I am appealing to the governors of the Eastern region. In fact, not only the Eastern region now, I mean the whole of the Eastern region, the Biafran states, Ebonyi to Delta to Bayelsa to Rivers and name it, all of you, all your governors. What I'm asking you to do tonight, Abia State Governor, I know that you will not fail your people, that your name, that the poor people will continue to talk about you. Anambra State Governor, that the people will talk about you. Enugu State Governor, Ebonyi.
He spoke in parable. Only those who understand his lines of words will, of course, make a very good meaning out of it. Do you understand this? So, when this our brother said this, don't question.
Struggle. I saw one political solution. As far as Biafra struggle, the agitation, the consign, Simon led by the genuine. On there, Kebu state government almost 150 million. However, finance Ekpelima saga, Ekpelima from Finland, infiltrator. Go on at a state government, Kaja finance after Kaha submit ESN to state government.
That is it. That's why Soludo said this. No, I want Soludo to come out. Hold on, Soludo. I want him to come out so you'll be seeing his face. Because some of us don't understand it. Hear him.
And all of that. But IPOB has come out and emphatically stated, and I believe them, that they are no longer part of this criminal gang, as it were. And they are now working with us. And we'll probably see their own actions in the next few days, and the people are waiting to see what they can or cannot do.
Do you understand that? They are now working with us. And people are waiting to see what they can do in next 2 or 3 days, in a few days. So people that's why I saw some of like there's one woman, a really big influence, and few senseless individuals who don't know anything. Oh, IPOB is DOS is the final. Soludo said the IPOB, these are just ex-DOS, and they don't represent IPOB. Maz Namodoku Kano. God, these people, Kuje recruited people. Dana call you on we dethrone him, we spare him. Ready? Like I said, you must prove to us how you are the mother to your own mother, like you're the one that gives birth to your mother. Then, if that makes sense to you, then what we're actually fighting and claiming will make sense to me. I'm gonna post the 2 videos on my X for those of you that may be interested to have it. Please, you're gonna have it from my X. Thank you, my people, and let me know what you think about it. I expect you to, of course, to like the video and share it on many platforms of your choice. God bless you and take care of yourself. Don't forget to like the video, like I said, and share it. Your comment is actually very, very, very important. I want to know what you think about this video. Good morning.